Back on them small, thin. Yeah, changing these brake. Yeah, gonna change these brake pads soon. Right now, just doing what we're doing and get out there to make the money. You know what I mean? Yeah, but I'm changing the tires. All tires, 6 tires. There's 1 more week left in it. You see that shit? Man, I tell you. Check the front one. Yeah, man, that one don't look bad. Yeah. Yeah, changing now 6 tires. Looking real bad. You see? Yeah, this one don't look bad at all, guys. Yeah. But them back one need changing. Man. I got to change all 6 tires. You see that? That's how all of them is like. You see, look at that one over there. Yeah. The OT don't like that and that's unsafe. So I got to change them. You know what I mean? Yeah. I'm gonna have to get back to the brakes though. Yeah. But that's what's up, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. That's the spear not looking bad. Yeah, the spear not look bad at all. Not gonna lie. Yeah, spear not looking bad.